What the hell have I done to my lawn? You'll have to wait and see. What's up, guys? So it's getting towards the end of August now, so I want to do a whole bunch of work today because the weather is looking very favorable to get all of this stuff done in one shot. It's gonna be a lot of work. It's gonna take a few hours, I'm sure, but what I want to do is I'm actually going to dethatch the main yard. It hasn't been done since spring, so I'm going to go over that, dethatch the crap the shit out of it, and then I'm going to overseed it extremely heavily because I know it needs it. There is bare spots still, but that's okay. I was waiting for the weather to turn, and now it's turning. And I'm also going to overseed the putting green one last time before winter comes, which could be any day now, really, where I'm from. And I'm going to top dress it. That's what we're getting up to today. Let's get at it. Alright guys, so I got about half the yard done, so I just wanted to show you the difference. Look at that, nice and green, not looking so good. But this is all going to be worth it in the end. It's going to look way better in about, I'd say about 3 weeks by the time the grass seed germinates and whatnot. But yeah. So I'm going to keep going at this, tear the rest of my yard up because why not? And then I gotta get the bagger out, lawnmower. I'm gonna set it to 1 notch lower than I usually cut at, pick all this stuff up, then I'm gonna overseed. Let's go. It's getting hot out. Alright, so as you guys can see, it's all dethatched. And now I'm just gonna go over it with the lawnmower. That's that way, yeah, right there. And pick all this stuff up. I'm gonna see how opened up it is. And if I feel I need to go the opposite direction, I will. If not, I won't. But with that, time to pick this stuff up, see where we're at. Let's go. Alright, so at this point, this lawn has been dethatched, scalped, mowed over twice, 4 times, been mowed over twice to clean everything up. This is how it's looking, so it's definitely brown, not looking as green as it did at the beginning of the video. And just go up close. See all that space? I really tore into it, and I'm fine with that. That's what I wanted to do. So now I'm gonna apply the seed. I'm using, well, the seed I've been using, it calls for 5 to 7 pounds per 1,000 square feet, I believe. So I'm gonna be putting down right about that, maybe a little bit more. And then water, and I'm gonna fertilize probably next weekend by the time I see germination, because this stuff does germinate quickly, which is awesome. But yeah, I don't know if you guys want to see me spreading the seed. It's not a big deal. You just put it in the hopper and start walking both ways, every which way. But look at that. That's nuts. Look at the putting green. It's really standing out now. Alright guys, so I've spread the seed, and I spread a lot of it. I mean, you may as well. But just to show you the coverage and how it's looking. Look at all that. It's nice and even. It's not mounded or anything like that. So all I'm gonna do is rake it in now, set up the sprinklers, and water it in. We're supposed to get some weather. Whether we do or not, I don't know. but I'm not gonna rely on that. I'm gonna water it anyways. And then, yeah. So I hope you guys have enjoyed this one. I'm glad fall's just around the corner. I'm not a fan of winter. I don't hate it, I don't love it, but I would much rather be doing stuff like this. Either way, if you got any questions, comments, leave them down below. I'll get back to you. And I hope you guys enjoyed the video. Thanks for stopping in. This has been Backwoods.